Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you what it means of drill down and drill up. So the idea is something like this, right? So this is the West Malaysia map, right? So if you look at that, there is a several state. So if you go into the state, now let's say you go into the Perak state, right? So it would be like this, and then you can go into each district of the state. So that is called drill down, right? So go into that and then go into this, right? So it can show in here as well, right? Just like the Perak, so we have this list. So these are the one, but we want to kind of like hide all the rest, but just look at this particular state. So how to do that? So let's look at the data, right? So this is one level and then this is the second level. So then you convert this into an Excel table, and then you gotta use the Power Pivot. Yes, Power Pivot tab, right? And then click on Add to Data Model. Okay, so then we go to the diagram view. Alright, so I have previously done a hierarchy, so I'm going to just delete the hierarchy. Okay, so what I want to do is that the state and the majlis, right, is actually a hierarchy, right? So first look at the state, then after that go to the next level, which is the majlis, right? So now I'm going to right click this tool and right click and then choose a create a hierarchical. So I can just give them a geographical, right? Um, and then I'm done. And once I'm done, I go to the pivot table here, and I can just choose pivot table. So I'm created into a new worksheet. Click OK, and I have previously I done some pivot table as well. So just look at this. So I'm look at the amount, and instead of looking at the states, right now I want to drag these two items at the same time. I want to save the time, so I'm just drag this geographical, right? So imagine this is a multiple level, not just two level, right? You can have it will be it will speed up your work. Now, since this is a group in the hierarchical, then you can make use of the drill down. So now let's look at Selangor, right? Now Selangor, right? So I want to look at what is just Selangor alone, right? What is the margins that have is here, right? So I'm just like we look at the map. Previously we done that, right? Look at the maps, click on it, and then it goes to look at the host, all the district in that. So we can use the ideas here as well, right? So Selangor, go to pivot tables and then click on drill down. There you are, right? So this is the Majis, the some of the Majis index. Now, if I don't want to look at this, I want to go up one level, right? So I go to drill up. I'll look at Perak and I just click drill down and drill up Malacca, drill down, drill up. Now, if you have multiple level, you can continue to click drill data until it's no longer allowed to. And that is how you use the drill down and drill up. So to use drill up and drill down, you must have the Power Pivot to install, and then you click add to the from the data itself, right? Turn it into Excel table and click add data models, and then you can go to the diagram view and then highlight the few items and then right click choose create hierarchy, right? So followed by this, and that's just how you create a pivot table with this drill down and drill up functions. I hope you learned something useful. I wish you well.